You know, sweet potatoes have become this superfood darling, right? Everyone's talking about them, and for good reason. I mean, who doesn't love a good sweet potato? They're sweet, they're versatile, and they pack a serious nutritional punch. But what happens to your body when you decide to eat sweet potatoes every single day? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the nutrients. Sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamins, especially vitamin A. You've probably heard that beta-carotene is what gives them that vibrant orange color. But it's also a powerhouse for your immune system and skin health. So, picture this. You're munching on sweet potatoes daily, and your body is thanking you by boosting your immunity. Less sick days, more energy. Bien Dixie. Who doesn't want that? Then there's fiber. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which is great for digestion. You know that feeling when you eat something heavy and your stomach just feels off? Well, fiber helps keep things moving smoothly in your digestive tract. Eating sweet potatoes every day means you're likely to feel lighter, more energized, acid, and less bloated. Plus, fiber keeps you feeling full longer, which can help with weight management. So if you're looking to snack less and feel satisfied, sweet potatoes might just be your new best friend. Now, let's dive into blood sugar levels. Sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index compared to regular potatoes. This means they're less likely to cause those crazy spikes in blood sugar. When you eat them, they release sugar into your bloodstream more slowly, keeping your energy levels stable throughout the day. Imagine going through your morning without that dreaded mid-morning crash. You'll feel more focused and productive, and who wouldn't want that? But here's the thing. Moderation is key. Eating sweet potatoes every day can be great, but if you're not balancing them with other foods, you might miss out on other essential nutrients. Variety in your diet is crucial. You wouldn't want to become too dependent on one food, no matter how nutritious. So, while sweet potatoes are amazing, remember to mix in some greens, proteins, and healthy fats to create a well-rounded meal plan. Now, let's talk about cravings. You might think that eating sweet potatoes every day would mean you're constantly craving sweets, but surprisingly, it can actually help curb those cravings. The natural sweetness of sweet potatoes can satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt that comes from indulging in processed sugars. So, instead of reaching for that candy bar, you might find yourself reaching for a sweet potato instead. And let's not forget about skin health. The antioxidants in sweet potatoes can do wonders for your skin. You might notice a glow that wasn't there before. It's like your skin is thanking you for all those nutrients. Plus, the hydration from the fiber can help keep your skin looking plump and fresh. Of course, there's always the potential for overdoing it. If you're consuming too many sweet potatoes, you might find yourself dealing with an excess of vitamin A, which can lead to some unwanted side effects, so it's essential to listen to your body. If you start feeling off, it might be time to switch things up a bit. In conclusion, eating sweet potatoes every day can have some fantastic benefits for your body, from improved digestion to stable energy levels. Just remember to keep it balanced and enjoy the journey of discovering all the delicious ways to incorporate this superfood into your meals. So, whether you're roasting, mashing, or tossing them into a salad, sweet potatoes can be a delightful and nutritious addition to your daily diet. Happy eating!